Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, as you can see, I'm starting out a little bit differently here because this time we're playing a new game. That's right, folks. We're playing What's in the Pile. As you can see here, I've got a pile of constitutional silver. Oh, looking so pretty. Sounding so nice. And what I'm going to ask you to do is tell me what's in the pile. Now, I'm not going to make you guess each denomination how many's there. But as you can see, we've got ourselves some Standing Liberty quarters. We've got some Mercury dimes. Got some Kennedys in there. Got some Walkers in there. Got some quarters in there, some Rosies, some Washington quarters. So what I need you to do is tell me what is the face value of the constitutional silver in this pile. And then what else I need, and I need them both on the same line in the comments, is once you figure out that face value, how much would it be in silver value? The silver was at $18 per troy ounce. Okay, so we're going to assume that there's no BU coins in here. We're going to assume that all these coins have wear on them, and for the most part they do. Maybe this Kennedy doesn't, but so what I need is the total face value of the coins laying here, and how much in silver value is that face value worth if silver was at $18 an ounce. And any of you that follow my live streams that join us on Monday nights at 9 p.m., you know the last couple weeks I've had some questions about calculating the silver value from the face value. So just trying to throw in a little bit of education along with the fun, make you do some math, make you get out those calculators and see what's in there. All right, so that's what I need. Face value, how much is in this pile, and what's the value of the silver if silver is $18 an ounce, and assume that all these coins have wear on them. Okay? Both answers. How much there is in face value and what's the value in silver. Okay, so here's what we're going to do to determine what you win for guessing what's in the pile. So let's go over to my desktop, and I went to the internet and I said, hey, give me a wheel I can spin so I can see what I want to give away when somebody wins. As you can see, I found one pretty quickly, and I put on there a 90% quarter, 90% dime, a 1/10 ounce silver round, a 90% half dollar, and a 40% half dollar. So for guessing and playing, if you win, you get the correct answers, I will send you whatever this wheel lands on. So you ready? Want to click and see what you could win? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, click. Here we go. What's it going to stop on? What's it going to stop on? Oh, a 90% dime. So that's what you will win if you guess what's in the pile. But wait, I don't think that's good enough. Let's do a bullion bonus round. That's right, folks. We are going to spin again, and you're going to get yourself a bullion bonus, meaning whatever it lands on the second time, you're going to get both coins. Bullion bonus time. Let's go. You ready? 3, 2, 1, click. What's it going to be? What's it going to be? What's it going to be? Oh, you get a quarter as well. A 90% quarter and a 90% dime. Well, that's going to be fantastic. All right, so let's go back to our coinage. Give you one more look at it. And I ask you one more time, what is in the pile? So thank you for watching. I hope you have fun playing along. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.